Every day, hundreds and thousands of messages are sent over the internet. Data in those messages have to travel through several routers before reaching their destination. Unless your messages are properly encrypted, anyone on these points can intercept your message. So how are data really encrypted? History of the encryption and cryptography goes back a couple millennia. The Caesar cipher, named after Julius Caesar, used it with a shift of 3 to protect the message of military significance. The amount of shift is known as key, and we can use B or C or even K. The major limitation of the Caesar cipher was that the length of the key and the statistical frequency was not concealed. Key space was only limited to 26 and can be found easily by exhaustive search. Cipher text look too similar to plain text, so instead use a phrase for key. This is the concept behind Vigenère cipher. It is just like Caesar cipher but uses phrase, and if the phrase is too short then repeat. Here I am using BIG for Vigenère. To make encryption and decryption easier, we use Vigenère table. It is a table that takes key and plain text and gives corresponding ciphertext. As you can see, Vigenère cipher reduces the limitation of Caesar cipher, but for modern computers is still not secure and can be easily broken. Both of these cipher falls under substitution cipher and is basis for modern crypto system. They are used in conjunction with other methods to make them more secure, like for example in Feistel cipher. I might make future content on Feistel cipher, but for now this is going to be all. If you like this video, then show me your support in the comment down below. Like and subscribe and share to someone who will find it interesting.